Okay guys, so here's the next update on our chicken coop situation. This is kind of our final setup here. So we have the coop that we got, and then we added this 8x8 pen. It's called the 8x8 chicken pen from Tractor Supply that you can order online and have delivered to your store. And it works quite nicely with the fact that our chicken coop wasn't from the same place. So give you an up close look here. This is the first day we're kind of moving our chickens in. We're going to be getting some more. We're down to 2 thanks to the coyotes, but hey girlies. These are 2 Eyes of Browns. They're great egg layers, great temperament. And we have the automatic door on there, and it has worked. So it's open right now, and then you can set the timer to go on in there. So look at the pen here. It has what I call a human door. I'm going to back up here a little bit. So it has the human door here that you can walk through, and then it has it so you can take a panel away and butt it up against your chicken coop. Sorry about the tractor running in the background there. So yeah, I think it works really nicely with it. It's like a greenish black, grayish black system there, or paint. And then we put all sand there so that they'd have a flat bedding and able to be nice on their chicken feet. Let's take a look inside. So we put bedding down here. We have bedding, straw pads. These are from Amazon. These things there's a little straw on top of them, but there's these pads that are really nice from Amazon that work really well. And then this is hoping they'll sleep there and catch all the goodies there in the tray to be cleaned out. And then the egg boxes. Looks like, oh, these are the pads here from Amazon. They work really, really well. Yeah, so we've got bedding in there. It's all set up and ready to go. The vent is down, the windows. There's a girly. Come on, girlies. And we'll keep you updated how it works out. So far, really cool option. There she is. Hello. Hey, girly, what you doing? Hey. What you doing? Is this your new coop? Hey, scrumptious. Hello. You like your new coop? Good girl. Alright guys, take care. See you in the next video.